Hi guys, this is Megha Verma. Welcome to my channel. So in today's tutorial, we will learn how to design this business card in CorelDRAW. So without any delay, let's get started. So this is the size of our business card. First we will select the rectangle tool from the toolbar and we will draw a rectangle. Now we will set the size of the rectangle 3.5 by 2. Now we will set the line of the rectangle. First we will click on a specified point, then we will align center horizontally and align center vertically. Now we will fill grey color in this rectangle and we will remove the outline by right click. Now we will drag inside like this and we will right click with the shift key to make a copy. Now we will fill white color in this rectangle. Now we will select the ellipse tool from the toolbar and we will draw a circle. Now we will set the equal size of the circle. Now we'll select all and we will set the align. First we will click on selected object. Now we will align center horizontally and align center vertically. Now we'll select the circle and we will fill white color in this circle and we will remove the outline by right click. Now we'll select the circle and we will drag inside with the shift key and we will right click to make a copy. Now we will fill black color in this circle. Again we will drag inside with the shift key and we will right click to make one more copy. Now we will fill pink color in this circle. Now we will select all the circles and we will right click, then click on group. Now we'll select these circles and we will select the shadow tool from the toolbar and we will apply on the circles like this. Now we'll select the feathering direction and we will select the middle option. Now we will select the text tool from the toolbar and then we will select the font style. You can place your logo in this circle. I am just making a simple logo with the M letter. Now again we will select the text tool and we will write graphics. Now we'll select all and we will set the align horizontally and vertically. Now our front side of the business card is ready guys. Now we'll make a back side of the business card. Now we'll select this rectangle and we will make a copy of this rectangle by drag and right click. Now we'll select this white rectangle and we will make a copy by drag and right click. Now we will rotate this rectangle on 90 degree like this. Now we will reduce the size of this rectangle. Now we'll select both and we will set the align. Now we'll select this logo and the circles. Now we'll decrease the size. I will place like this. Now we will select the text tool. Now we will write the name of the person. Now we'll fill white color in this text. Now we'll select the 2-point line tool from the toolbar and we will draw a straight line like this. Now we'll select both and we will set the align. Now again we will select the text tool. Now we will write the designation of the person, or you can write the profession. Now we'll select the ellipse tool and we will draw a small circle. Now we'll give an equal size to the circle. Now we will adjust the size of the circle. Now we will fill white color in this circle and we will remove the outline. Now we will make a copy of the circle by drag and right click. Then we will press Ctrl R to make more copies. Now we have these icons. So we will place these icons on the circles. Now we will increase the size of the icons and we will place one by one in the circles. Now we will select the text tool and we will write all the details. We can write 1 or 2 contact numbers. Now we will write the address. Now we will write the email address. Now we will set the size of the text. We will give a same size to all the text. Now we will select all text and we will align from left. So our business card design is ready, guys. This design is very simple and easy, guys. Basically this is for the beginners, those who just started using the software. After watching this tutorial they can easily make their own designs of business card. Please like, share and comments, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get updates of my videos. Thanks for watching.